Hello food lovers, welcome back again. Today we'll be making hot Nigerian puff puff. Can you see that goodness? Let's just get right into today's video. So I'll be using 4 cups of flour, all purpose flour, but before I start I'm going to sieve my flour first. After sieving, I'm going to add half cup of sugar, then a teaspoon of salt, then 2 spoons of instant yeast. I'll be adding a cup of warm water, remember warm water. Then I'll add this flavor, vanilla butternut flavor. You can add any flavor you like, but I'm using this flavor for this recipe. After adding this, I'm going to stir it all together. As you can see, the water is not enough, so I'm going to add more warm water. I'm going to stir it properly for it to mix well and have a smooth paste. Stir it gently and properly. Yes, now I've gotten the consistency I want. You can see there's no lumps in the mix, so I've stirred it well, and the paste, this is the kind of consistency we'll be needing for our puff puff. Now it's time to cover up for it to rise. I'm covering it up with a poly bag. You can use a nylon wrap, you can use a towel just for it to rise. I'm going to cover it up and put it in one place for 40 minutes. After my puff puff mix has risen, I'm going to set my pot on fire, pour in my vegetable oil for it to get hot. This is the mix after 40 minutes. You can see it has risen, so I'm going to use my hand to burst the bubbles, to deflate it a bit, because we don't want our puff puff having holes in it, so you have to deflate the bubbles. After the oil gets hot, I start dropping my puff puff balls into the hot oil. Make sure your oil is hot and it's in the right temperature. So I'm dropping the ball. Our puff puff is ready to fry, as you can see. While it's frying, I had to keep on turning with a skewer so one place doesn't get too brown or one place doesn't cook than the other, so you have to keep on turning for it to cook and for it to fry well. Right now, the puff puff is almost ready. Can you see? It's as easy as ABC. So get that flour today and make puff puff for your family. Make it for yourself. Make it for your friends. So my puff puff is ready. I'm bringing it out of the oil now for me to fry the remaining batch. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and you're going to try it also. If you are going to try this recipe or you tried it, please drop a comment in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel subscribe, share this video, turn on the turn on the notification bell for you to get notified when I post a video. Can you see that goodness? Oh my god. Make sure you try this recipe and get back to me. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.